Here today. This is officially our first unboxing for the year. Happy New Year, people. Thank God we made it. So what we're bringing you here today is the Huawei Nova 3i. It's a mid-range device and with great specs. That's the selling point of the whole device. So we have 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gig of internal memory, color black. Really not much, but packaging looks nice. So let's get into the box and see what's inside. Huawei's packaging has basically been standard, and if we've been following tech news, we know that Huawei presently they've beaten Apple to number 2 smartphone vendor in the world. They also have the Honor brand, which is helping them push that. So this is the device. We have it here. Still comes with a USB-C port, comes with a micro USB port, an earphone adapter, dual cameras at the back, AI cameras, fingerprint sensor at the back, and a 6.3 inch screen. But let's keep that aside. Let's see what else we have in the box. Some IMEI stickers. Oh, brilliant! Comes with a case. So now just like this when I see a phone coming with a clear case. That's cool. So some quick start guide. And what else do we have in here? Oh, it even comes with a screen protector. That's nice. Yeah, but not the hard one. It's still the nylon type. Then you have your SIM eject too. Move this to the side. Then we have your micro USB cable. I wish this came actually with a USB type C. Then you have your charging brick. Let's see if we get some ratings. 2 ampere output, so just 10 watts. Not so great, so it's not fast charging. Then you have your earphones, which is always a nice addition into the box. Let's see if we have, we don't have any other thing here. So let me just okay, now we're going through the specs here. We have 4 AI cameras, 6.3 inches full HD screen, 4 gig RAM, 128 gig internal memory, and the Huawei Crane 710 chipset, which is actually their mid-range chipset. So let me just power it up and see how the display looks. Okay, I think I can take this off carefully. Okay, greeted by the Huawei logo, powered by Android. I think this is basically what we should expect from a mid-range device. Glass at the back, but I don't think this comes with wireless charging. Then you have your SIM card tray over here. The SIM card tray also holds your micro USB. So basically nothing to it. Still taking a whole lot of time to come up. I think you guys should just stay tuned, keep watching. Hopefully I'll bring you guys the review. Okay, HUAWEI. Fantastic display for this size and for a 6.3 inch screen, which is just full HD resolution. Looks crisp and cool. So I'll bring you guys the review as time goes on. Stay tuned, keep watching, and stay focused. It's a new year.